some basics about percentage. In very simple words, percent means dividing a number by 100. 5%. 5 means 5. Percent means dividing a number by 100. So 5 divided by 100. So it can be written as 5 upon 100. In the similar way, 40% is 40 upon 100. 75% is 75 upon 100, and it is 80 upon 100. So when we are dividing percentage by 100, we are converting them into fractions. 5 upon 100 is 1 upon 20. 40 upon 100 is 2 upon 5. 75 upon 100 is 3 upon 4. And this is 4 upon 5. By dividing the percentage by 100, we are converting them into fractions. So, by multiplying the fraction by 100, we will be converting them back into percentage. So, if you want to convert 4 upon 5 into percentage, multiply it by 100 and it will be 80%. This will be 3 upon 4 multiplied by 100, it will be 75%. So, in simplest terms, percentage means dividing a number by 100. The entire topic of percentage revolves around only these three statements. In the first statement, the question mark is in the end. In the second statement, the question mark is in the middle. And in the last statement, the question mark is in the start. So each and every problem of percentage has either this statement or this statement or this statement. Now, how to deal with such statements? I am writing the first statement over here to have a better understanding of the statement. 40% of 20 is what? Now we have to translate this statement of English into the terms of arithmetics. How? 40 means 40, percent means divided by 100, of means multiply, 20 means 20, is equal to, and question mark means x. So we have to find the value of this x, that is 5 and 8. So the value of x is 8. It means 40% of 20 is 8. Now let us solve the second statement. "45 means 45. Percent means 1 upon 100. Of means multiply. Question mark means x. Is equal to, and 18 means 80. So we have to find out the value of this x. This x is equal to 18 into 100 upon 45. So this can be treated by 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 5 are 45. So 5 and 20 means x is equal to 40. It means 45% of 40 is 18. Now the third statement, again translate this statement into arithmetic terms, and question mark means x, percent means 1 upon 100, off means multiply, 15 means 15, is equal to, and 3 means 3. So we have to find out the value of this x. X is equal to 3 into 100 upon 15. So 5 and 20. So 20% of 15 is 3. So by translating the statements into arithmetic terms, we can make our calculation very fast and very easy.